Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the device. Plug in and connect to a stable Wi-Fi so downloads won't fail. Once ready, go to Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow Google Play Services and Google Play Store. Clear cache and clear storage for each. Then force stop both apps and restart the phone. You do this because cached corruption or stuck processes often block service updates. Rebooting applies a fresh state, so the next steps will work reliably without wasted time. Once done with cache and reboot, uninstall updates for Google Play Services from App Info to return it to factory version. This resolves many compatibility bugs. If the problem persists, download the matching APK for your Android version and device architecture and sideload it. Make sure unknown sources is allowed temporarily. Next, reset app preferences to re-enable disabled components and verify Google account sync settings. You do these steps you finish by signing out of your Google account and signing back in, then force a manual sync to ensure credentials and tokens refresh. After that, update all Google apps from the Play Store and perform one final reboot. This confirms services initialize correctly. If things still fail, boot into safe mode to check for conflicting apps. Finally, back up personal data and perform a factory reset only as last resort. This tip saves time. Safe mode narrows problems before wiping the device.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.